traders say they expect an increased demand pressure for bonds in today's session as local investors look to efficiently deploy their excess liquidity. This comes as figures from the National Bureau of Statistics reported a rise in August inflation to 13.22%. Chioma Udu, an FX trader at GT Bank, joins me for a markets outlook discussion. Chioma, glad to have you join us for this conversation on Parliament West Africa. So what's moving the markets at the moment?
Basically, starting with the money market is liquid up by about over 100 billion. Rates in that space is expected to trade at about 5 to 6%. And the T-bill space is still very quiet, with largely buy-side sentiment from players as a result of the scarcity of assets causing rise in prices and a relationship drop in yield. We have an NCB auction tomorrow. 160 billion is on offer across 3 tenors. We also have about 360 billion coming in on Thursday as OMO. That is going to support a lot of buy sentiment in the market.
Clearly, Chioma, the Securities and Exchange Commission's new position on cryptocurrencies in Nigeria will have implication for many sectors and many segments of the market. But so far, as of this moment, how is the fixed income and FX space receiving this news?
Well, it creates more investment classes and gives investors options for more investment. It's going to give investors more ways, a straightforward place to invest their funds. The Commission issued a regulatory guideline for digital currencies and crypto-based companies and also startups. The aim basically is to protect the investors and create a framework and standard for ethical purposes, create some sort of security for investors. They came in a 3-pronged approach, which will basically be safety, market development and deepening, market depth, and then providing solutions that will come up. I think that's a welcome development in the financial market.
Now, speaking to what is available at the market, within the markets at the moment, what end of the curve is seeing more interest from investors, the longer dated tenors or the shorter ones?
Well, Chris, there's a lot of liquidity in the market, Naira liquidity in the market. So I think all the investors are looking at now is to just try and buy assets. We've seen a lot of interest across the curve. But like I said, we don't have a lot of assets to match the demand. Hopefully on Thursday, there's going to be an OMO auction. But from the trend we've seen that the maturities we have, the OMO issues, are not enough to take out the liquidity in the market. So we expect that there's going to be demand across the yield curve.